How do you know that battery's good?
Because it worked it's worked every time. So I'm gonna put the battery in the Hummer.
Hold on. One second, I'm just keep going clicky real quick. Try to turn on. I'm hearing clicky, so I wanted to see.
Yeah, I hear it.
Go again. That's the ABS clicking. Okay. The only thing I can say, Frank, is I was to say, you think we try to push it?
No, we have to do with that today.
No, but I'm saying.
We're looking at it funny, I know we could. I can physically.
Look at that free mod right here.
Free mod.
We got the free mod going right here. What vehicle? We got the Hummer.
The Don Disto was a freaking awesome free mod.
Oh yeah.
So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the battery in here and jump start the truck next to it.
Then if we know if they start with jump with this car running, then we know something to be. The starter's not getting juice to it.
Currently, Bronco's not starting. We're gonna use the Hummer battery.
Ready to go jump start with this thing?
Gonna jump.
The old other truck trip?
So you're gonna turn the Hummer on, right?
Yeah, you're gonna hear. Here's some 365 horsepower.
Damn!
365 horsepower. Maybe not to the wheels.
The hub.
For the people on YouTube, tell us how to jump a vehicle correctly.
Good question.
This is how I do it.
Alright.
You might have your way. I do it like this.
Oh, okay. Other people have their ways. Alright.
They say, okay, sometimes they don't want to go positive, negative, positive. They want to go, let's see. So I'm not good at this camera thing right now.
I was already hooked up and the car is running, not letting the first. Also, that's one, right? That's one. That's one with the battery turn on this one.
Oh, yeah.
The last one, he's like, always back in the Hummer.
Alright, Brian, how you connect it? Positive first or what? Negative first.
I usually the one.
Positive first.
But hold on.
And then you make sure they don't touch, right?
Yep. Alright, whenever you're ready, Craig, you start your first.
Negative first, positive second.
That's what I do. Second third.
Just check the battery carefully and remove it one by one.
Negative first. Yeah, you're good. You want to line it up a little bit more straight? Yeah, back it up and then good. night fog light wiring harness. Okay. Fog light wiring harness. Okay.
In the middle of getting everything situated. Get the safety parts ready. Awesome.
Full walkthrough. Right. Bronco. We got the Bronco project today. Excited about that. Can you show us the product?
So we got the night light. So these Jeep lights right here that you're actually looking at, Cooter and I actually installed.
Okay.
And it's a nice little setup. Your wires go to the back of your particular lights that you like. And then you just run your harness to now positive, negative. Direct. It has an inline fuse, so that's a safety thing. You don't have to worry about danger. And then you come over here. And I'm not going to activate it right now, but I will show you the toggle switch.
I'll just take the batteries, Ray.
Toggle switch is this one right here.
Okay.
We're going to be deleting that one, and in its place we're going to be adding this kit right here. So we're going to be deleting this kit, and we're going to be adding this one right here. And it has the same kind of, I'll show you the layout of this merchandise.
Also, it's pretty much a switch.
It's a switch, that's what it is, yep.
Oh.
And then you tap all those wires, hot and cold, or positive, negative, into the kit. So it comes with the inline fuse, your relay kit, all that good stuff. And it's self-explanatory. It's plug and play.
Oh,
You just mount your relay, or you can hang it off a zip tie. Or I'm not sure if it has to be grounded or not. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out. But yeah, you got your
Okay.
you got all that right there. This is for different pigtail, and you'll splice into one of these 4 times for your each individual light.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
All right.
All right.
All right, you got your positive and negative terminal. These terminals are going to be connected to the battery. Inside here, you have a fuse. This relay, it doesn't have to be actually fastened to anything. It can hang on a zip tie, which is, I will probably end up doing that as well. And then you have, let me do this spaghetti thing real quick here. This is going to go to the front. The wires, I'll show you what's going to happen with this. This wire right here is going to go into the cab of the vehicle itself. So, like this, and this, let's see.
So, positive, negative to the battery.
Yes. Red is hot, negative is, so then there, that.
These are gonna go to the lights.
Yeah, so right here,
A switch.
like this. So, to do the layout, it's going to be like this. Positive wire, your negative wire on these little butterfly clips that you see right here and right here.
Okay.
Just like the other set, if you come around here, you will see this is the other set.
Oh,
This is the headlight.
yeah.
So this is the exact kit as the headlights. The only difference is, okay, so we will follow this and we'll run it back through the firewall like all the other wires did, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll mount that on the back of the firewall
Yeah.
inside the dash. And you see these wires right here? It looks like a mess. That's because it is. But all these are going to be positive, negative wires right here, right here, right here, right here. And we're going to cut these wires and we're going to attach them to the assigned wire. So this is basically going to go like this. You hold that right there.
Okay.
This is going to replace all this mess. It's going to go from here, not over, but in theory, this will be right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This will fasten.
Yeah.
These wires will go to assigned terminals.
Okay.
As such, don't mind the mess.
Yeah.
And this part will pigtail and travel through the hole to the back where this will mount.
Oh, okay. Cool. Sounds good.
That's what
So
we're gonna show you the process.
you're gonna show me how we're gonna get these connected. That's pretty much self-explanatory. We get the switch.
Go through the hole.
I'm just wondering about this part right here.
So this is we're gonna delete this pigtail and actually just go ahead and splice. We're gonna delete this.
Oh.
Actually just cut into the hot and cold. You got your hot wire, your black wire.
Oh, they're gonna be wired directly.
So each one of these is gonna go to its particular assigned.
So you have two right here. They'll go to one wire,
Yeah, all of these are gonna be like a highway. So if you hold that like that.
and then the other one.
No. They're all going to go like this.
Oh, all four of these?
Like, yeah, these two. One is gonna be red. One is gonna be negative.
Okay.
So it'll tap into here. Then we'll have another tap right here.
Oh.
Then we'll have another tap right here. And we'll have another tap into here.
Why do you have another one right here?
No, it's just an extra. Maybe you want to do a light bar.
Oh.
So
Okay.
I'm going to trim these off and cap them in case I'm going to do something in the future with them again.
Oh, okay. Now
So
I get
these-
it.
They're like little accessories. You don't have to do anything with them. You can leave them. You can leave these on there. You don't have to cut them off. Just make sure you cap them off. You know, tape them off.
Oh, now I get it. Cool. We're gonna make
This
it
is
look
not a
real
SEMA
good.
show build. This is not a SEMA show build.
So right now
is
these
just-
don't turn on.
They have turned on before,
Okay.
but there's something wrong with. I just want to replace it with a newer inline fuse wire kit that is already working on this.
All right. Yeah. And then how's the lights on these? They work?
Yes, but it's going to be. These have its own individual switch.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm good.
All right. Cool.
Well, I'm going to do this front end. You do that end.
Yeah.
Okay. So you start on that end with what you need. Oh, you can do it. Actually, disconnect right there. Wow, nice.
I'm too short.
And then, yeah, you can. Yeah, boom, huh? We'll find out where the hole's at, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what I'm gonna do? You wanna go? Oh, we'll give him a minute right there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right here is this. I'm just gonna cut this. Okay. I'm gonna cut this one. About right there. Okay. And I'm going to cut this one right here. Okay. I'm going to open this one up.
Here you go, Craig.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that'll work, sir. That'll work. All right, all right.
Well, next time, Craig, we got to plan on more. I got Corvette ready to be sent on.
Oh.
So this one is getting ready to be pigtailed. Now we're going to work on a second set.
All right. We're gonna do all that for all three of them.
And that's the third one. So, if you look out here, you have all your 1, 2, 3. And this one right here, we're going to have to add some wire to it. And everything, so.
Okay.
That's where we're at so far.
All right.
So.
I'm gonna find. Alright, so go this way.
No, Minnie.
Oh, you gonna put it through?
Yeah, I'm trying.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, this is going to be X-Acto. So, I'm going to use the X-Acto.
Oh,
Do a little project here. Maybe that one. Maybe this one.
I need to put through. I gotta. That's a new one. It's too tight.
be careful.
I'm just gonna leave this open. I'll just wrap that with some duct tape or some electrical tape. And I'm gonna marry into this right here. I think I did it like this. Okay.
I gotta do this thing.
Okay, so I'll marry that. I wish I had this other kind of a clip. Oh, I don't think I have them.
What, that one?
I can still do it. It's just going to be a lot of twists and butt connectors.
Okay, let's play it. Okay.
Let me see what kind of a clip you got right here.
May the force be with you.
Hey, I got two more up there. I'll tell you if we wanted to. I said maybe we want to two them together. I had two of those plugs that will clip right into that plug up top. So maybe we do the two in ones and the one, and then this one, or these two, and then one of those. One of these plugs. I have to outside that. We all go up top and help me look for the by the house, by the door.
I was going to hardwire.
Well, hey, I was asking. I have. This is for the HID kits I have on top.
Yeah, we can take a break.
You go up there, look at, see.
Yeah,
Take a break. Right here we have the E24 Garage Pet. We call her Daisy. California Striped Racer. We got a little home for her. We have some water for her. She's not hungry right now, but we'll get back to her. Nothing to be afraid.
I have these ones, but I just gotta find my old HID kit, the one from the crate from his car. I cut the connector off with that, and another box in my truck. And we just connected these. I gotta find.
Okay.
This is that harness bar. See that same light.
Mm-hmm.
These are not the ones that go in there, are they? This one right here.
Let me see.
That doesn't go into there.
No, I need a female.
Yeah, so. I said, worst case there, I said I always cut back here and cut these off. I mean.
Well, we don't need these ones.
No, we don't need these. Yeah, but we're just gonna keep these.
Oh, 4.
Just so I can go down there and go in the box.
See if they fit.
See if they fit in my old HID kits.
Okay.
Because it's on the box that it will fit, I cut it, strip it, use it.
Okay. If you, yeah.
He said I have one from Minnie's car that we replaced.
All right, the wire with the stripe is the positive. So we'll put all of these together. I may have to strip this back a little bit more. Red stripe, stripe, and stripe. They all go together. These are positive. Make a braid.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now we see we got a big fat connector for these to go into a barrel. Look at this barrel.
Self tapper right there.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, so we may have to cut that back just a hair.
That's the connector.
And there's another pair of pliers here. Here we go. We're just looking for this.
Ooh, beautiful cut.
When it comes to wiring stuff, I love wiring.
There you go. You got mail.
You've got mail.
You got, I love it.
Okay, so those three are connected. All right, we can stop right now.
Well, I was saying I would have done it where it's 2 in from the light and then the 1 out to the main power. So we let the equipment some barred.
Alright, so now, negative is connected now.
Now put some tape on that. Now I got to.
I had electrical tape. I should remember what's that.
I'm looking for this next thing. This is ground, this is hot, so I'm gonna add some wire to this one here. This one right here.
Oh,
It didn't have enough pigtail to it.
yeah.
Hey Craig, whoever helped you
Turn this over.
run this last set of wires is damn good installer in the shop.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, here we go. Once you get a pinch on it, make sure you get enough feet inside your. And again, like I'm gonna insulate this better. This is just for
Yeah, I have more electrical tape up top
Fitment.
on the thing.
fitment. So I'm gonna run all these wires.
If you, when you're done with the camera, if you want to, you can run up top to my house where the table is. On this side of that, where the circular spool is, the little brown table. And right here, there's that little yellow lid crate. Right there's a bunch of tape on there. Grab any tape from there.
Oh, okay, yeah,
So
alright.
you bring for Craig.
Alright,
That's why.
electrical tape.
Yeah. You're a part printer guy.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
show what I'm doing here. So, cause this light didn't have enough pigtail on it, I'm gonna bend this back a little bit. This light did work at one time, but it's kind of finicky. If it doesn't work very well, it's because of something going on behind in the light itself.
And
Okay.
today, if we have to, we'll fix it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we do negative, right here. Just twist these up real good. And then we'll get a barrel, another barrel here.
I got the starter box ready. We need to do this spray like that. Plug it in and we'll use that. Get it playing.
Before we hit the lights on, I think we can just hit it right here.
Damn, why the fuck that fucker run all the way back and then back forward again. What the fuck was he smoking?
The wires?
Okay, that was the negative. This is the positive. Right? Yes.
Barrel?
Another barrel
Bitch, you fucking.
coming in.
You tricked you son of a bitch. Here's Craig's first set of harness. But the way, that's good, that's all I need. That's your harness to go with that one. And zip tie this up. Move this one.
So what you got going?
I'm just, this is the old harness, the other harness for the stock headlights.
Okay.
This harness right here is set up for these lights to go on.
Okay. And then this is the new one?
That's the new one, and I'm just unrouting this wire. I'm unrouting it. Where I connect it to is right there, the battery.
Unrouting, you mean like moving it?
No, delete it. We don't need this anymore.
Oh, okay, alright.
This is my Craig's first attempt to fix this wiring.
Okay.
Hey, Craig, you know that little wire right here you were so worried about, Craig? This little wire right here? You don't worry about it no more. That's for the old harness.
Okay. Alright, so now, let me see if I got some kind of a... The wire and tap into it.
No, you just want to cut the end off. We reconnect it.
Yeah, cut it down here, we can save some of
Okay,
that.
okay, I got you.
Like this, Craig, watch. I'll show you a trick with these. You go like that. See, oh, shit's in the way, Craig. Look. So here you go. Little trick.
Bada bing, bada boom, baby.
We're back on there.
So you put these wires into here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I made you a little too short, Craig. If you need more.
I think, actually, I don't need that much. I'm good, I should be. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Pull it back about an inch. There we go.
There you go. Just try to make sure you know. Before you do that, Craig, hold on. Before you connect it, let's run this cable. How are we going to run it to the front?
Yes.
So we don't have to.
Snake it out.
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead. I'll let you run the route, Brian.
See, Craig?
Hey, from stern to bow, right, Brian? You're over at the NASCO shipyard, and we're gonna run this battleship like headlight weapon system.
There you go.
It only has to go to that first light.
So I'll say right there, I'm just leave it like that.
Sounds good.
And then I said, when I do this, we'll just tape, we're done. We'll get tape and tape this right here.
Yeah,
Tape it all up so we
Cap
can
it.
cap it so it's steered. And I'm just gonna run the cable like this with zip ties. And then we go right into the cab. And with
We
zip
can
tie.
do a dry run here in the next 10 minutes.
Yeah, as soon as you're done, I said we just hit the pad right here, done, boom.
Yeah.
And I can pull the switch out and reconnect it.
All right. I'm back on. I'm back on.
Yep. So I just wanted to
No,
I didn't want to have to run the whole wire.
I got my Navy shipyard guy over here working.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so we should have a females too.
That's it, baby. There's a few of these on this side. I still want to modify it.
You're gonna modify what?
I want like that bracket right there. I want to trim that off.
Okay.
I want to do a better wire tuck harness on this.
Yeah, for sure.
Positive?
Okay.
No, I'm just talking out loud.
Oh.
Thinking out loud, making sure I got my red as pot hot.
Yep.
I'm gonna get some more.
Sure.
More. Yeah, I'm gonna double that wire over so because that fits in that barrel real tight.
Yeah. I love those strippers.
We're gonna connect them.
You chain together. Positive, pod, negative, negative. We're going right here. We're going right here. Hold up.
And, oh. I know we're holding it.
So, where in positive and negative connected?
Mm-hmm.
Where's negative?
Negative is
Okay,
this
now,
one right here.
That's negative, right?
did it come off? Yeah, you put the negative on.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I'm saying, we go here with the stripper to strip back more. You did
Oh,
that.
I didn't see it. I thought I had it
Yeah.
in there for a minute. That's a good call. Good call.
Hey, that's what the boys are for, right?
You didn't,
I thought I had it in there. Must have.
there you
I didn't. I had
Oh,
it.
hold the crap and shit real quick.
go. Okay.
There, let me see that little piece so you can see better. That piece you split. See this right real quick.
There we go.
Okay,
There we
alright.
go. Get a little more in there. 'Cause
That's
that
my
barrel's
electrical
kind
side.
of fat.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh. And now positive and negative is connected. We're gonna have a positive right here. The negative is gonna be on right here. He's gonna hit the switch.
You done? I'll make sure you're clear, that's all. You're clear, right?
Clear. Oh wow.
We have one bulb that's having issues. So.
So they work, right? I just turn it off.
Yeah, 3 of the 4 work.
So now I'm saying one over here, we go take it apart.
Let me see what's going on with this window.
So I was saying, we don't see all the way completely apart, right? And replace the wires from there. And so
Oh, it's corroded.
yes, we just cut it, reconnect it. Where I got those weird connectors, right ones, we cut the this one off it and tape it.
Oh yeah, that's why that light probably didn't turn on.
Oh yeah.
Are we
Yeah,
disconnected?
we're
Oh,
disconnected.
take the hot off. Hot off. Take the hot off.
Well, we left. The ground's all the way over here.
Okay.
Ground's way down here, okay.
That's my other problem right there. So redo that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Some new wire right there, and where's
We know we're doing a little bit, boys.
Where's the other tail it came off of?
Huh? What's it? We have
It
that.
goes in this one right here. Oh shit!
You need a little more slack right now, so you can take that front off and he's clean up in there.
No, it's this right here.
I think we take this cover off, right?
Where's that wrench?
We should take the cover off so we get you better wire.
Yeah.
So we kind of run it through, run the new wire through it, connect it on the side, and slide it back on, screw it in.
Okay.
So it's
Let
connected
me
to be
try
inside.
this. Try this one more time.
I think it's inside that light.
Alright, we're gonna replace those damaged wires right here.
I'm just gonna clean them up, and then if it doesn't fire.
Alright, hit it. What do we got? Nope.
Okay, we can try the bulb, or we can.
I think if we take that screw up right, we get it better.
All right, let's go and disconnect everything again.
There
Alright.
he is. And that is. We gotta find that screw size, Craig, to take that screw out, because I don't have my bits too big.
Let's see what
Alright, we are still gonna troubleshoot.
We need that screw out right there, we're good.
I have a kit. I'll be back.
Okay, I think we just
Did
get that.
you guys run the firewall video?
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
You know
Alright.
your slack, how much slack you got, and then
Because you have the slack here for everything.
that's not a serious issue. In order just to make it you look uniformity, Brian,
Yeah.
I can disconnect this one, middle one, temporarily, so the two outside are off until
Yep.
we figure out what we're going to do with these ones.
Yep.
Because we
You-
may just do something different,
Well, I think later on I said we go there.
some different color lights.
Or we just said, Benjamin's gonna wire it to this other harness. The other.
Yeah. That could have too much weight on it.
Yeah. Too much voltage.
Alright, we'll finish running this.
You see that tape real quick? Those lights.
Oh, damn.
You see, still we'll plug in.
But you're gonna make enough
Room
to
to put
fit
into that.
in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the harness. And now I'm just gonna run it through the cab. Oh, there's a little circle.
These little computers.
You gotta clip that triangle part on top.
That one?
Yeah.
So that's where it clips into. That's why I'm just trying to. I still can do. I can just tape it.
I keep forgetting the tool bag was actually back here.
Fucking loser. You see those cutter things?
Oh, be careful with that.
I know, I am. I'm just going right, just a little bit at the edge. There we go, perfect.
Yeah, definitely clip that part. Yeah.
You guys wanted this stuff because it's built here at the edge.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, I'll put this in here. What? The what go? Okay. Oh, that's in the Hummer, I think. So this one comes through. Yeah, I said that's all that one there. I gotta put this through this ring. And then
Oh, you're gonna tighten it.
that's right here, baby. This. There we go. You talking about the black one, Craig? Just tighten it up, boys.
So that part pushes in and then you screw it in on the other side?
Yep.
Okay.
And can you hold that like that, Mitty? I'm over there trying to let that thing screwed on. Let's try this way. Right. Some middle way. There we go. Now we can take just put it around that. All right.
This is how we do it at E24 Garage. Oh, you like that, huh? You saw that twist? Oh, yeah. See?
You can take that panel off.
That's what we got. This one here was been replaced, but you can see right here, very corroded, very corroded.
I got this screwdriver.
What for? No, don't do it.
No, we'll take that too.
I have the screw for it.
You have it? Yeah, take that off. We can get in there and redo the battery connector in there. That's awesome. Yeah, like that. Pull it out.
Holy cow.
Like I said, we clip one of these wires right here, brand new.
There's my little thing right here.
And that's pull this wire.
How did that come off?
It'll screw down below.
Oh, okay.
Got that?
Appreciate that.
So we are getting the wires repaired right here.
Basically, yeah, I'm gonna replace the run the wire, cut it back, and make it clean again. So, oh shit, alright. And it went down.
I got her. Right.
The rubber.
Brian caught the nipple.
Well, she's right. That's like this is good. I'm saying.
Yeah.
And that.
So I'm going to open it up to over here, maybe.
Yeah, that's like.
Let's see. Let me see what the difference is on that wire. Oh, it's just one of those.
Yeah.
It's a connection, actually. I think I can remove the connection like that.
Oh.
Boom. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we got another one of these male or a female
I
version.
don't.
Oh yeah, you might. You might. But we don't need it all the way.
I'm just trying to get it one wire.
I got one at a time.
I had to cut this hole bigger.
Try one at a time, yeah.
I know. I was trying to. I see. I have to get it.
Oh no, yeah, definitely.
But again, I think I have to do it this way.
There we go. Too much fray.
So it's moving around.
Now what side you going in? This way.
Yeah, going through it.
Okay.
I think that's why I say the way I'm doing it here, we can do it to all of them later on.
Yeah, we can.
Just saying.
Hard wire.
I can do that if you want.
I got it. There we go. I'm just trying to. Cause the new switch is going where this one was at. Cause this is the old headlight switch, the old off-road light switch. See if I ever do this last time. Craig got on last time.
Well, that wire's getting deleted, right?
Yep.
Is it zip tied or anything?
Get all that. I'm trying to get out of the way real quick.
Oh yeah, it is zip tied.
But that's the way I gotta go through a reason to all this shit. But then we go like this. See that video?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's all red, black, okay. White ones are on the bottom, red's in the middle, black on the top. Right there. I gotta make this switch and match that hole to that to put this switch in.
All right.
You want to try? What try to do, Biddy?
Make the hole?
Yeah, you just gotta try to mark it out with the box cutter. This is pretty thin stuff. It's real thin.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see it. Bam.
So just a bad wiring, that's all it was.
So we'll wait till it gets darker. We'll see how bright these are.
Good job, you guys. We did it.
Yep. Troubleshooting.
So we got the wiring.
Turn the switch off now. Turn my battery too much.
We'll finish rerunning this. We're gonna mount it right there. That's it. I'll show you the final product when we're done. We're gonna cut the little hole right here. Cut the hole. We'll get this cut out.
It was.
White on the bottom, red in the middle, black on top.
Yeah. But actually, I had it upside down, so it's gonna be opposite. So it'll be this way. Oh, that's right. No, they had to. Oh, there's a check here. So yeah, it'll be the white on top.
White on top.
And then it'll be the 2 white, 1 red, and then black.
For your information, the car got no windows. The driver and passenger
Hey, they're living it up, man.
living it up.
Living it up.
Grab them like that. Slide. They come out easier so you don't rip off the harness.
White on the bottom.
Well, that's same as this one.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you why I took the windows out.
Oh man, come on.
No, I had a little experience.
What happened?
I had a little situation.
Yeah?
Yeah, my temper flared.
Oh, okay. Alright. I think I got it now.
Now, Minnie, can you put those screws back in for me, buddy? And it's done.
Why is it upside down?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I just. That's easy fix.
Just. Yeah, you should
No,
move
no,
it like
because
that.
I'm going to switch something over.
Alright, we have tape on here. Tape. 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 We ran it through there.
I got it, you got it, we got it, Joseph got it.
And now connected right here. Connected right there.
Where's the other Exacto, Joseph?
It should be.
I got one. Where's the silver one?
Oh, fuck.
It's probably over here.
Okay.
I was using it over here. Oh, at the bottom of the booth.
Connected. And ran through right there. So, there. Woohoo! Look at that. Look good. Ready to crank her up. We're gonna move the car. I'm rolling. Keys are coming in. Door shutting. Hey, turn your lights on. There you go.
some more, Chris? Yeah.
No, I think you're good.
Come on.
Okay.
There. There. Just protect.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah.